Gatagati ka arutwo 6,488 a kothi ya UNATHI aria meriga gutumwo thibitari-ini itiganite cia muingi mweri muhituku wa 7 mari rungu rwa mubango wa internship ni kuhithukite 348 maheirwo marua na njira ya ngungo kuona matiatirihite mathomo. Thutha wa uthuthuria gutabanio, Ministry ya Ugima wa Mwiri itarĩirie ungumania ni wakinyanirio kuona ona thengia wa watho wa UNATHI gukorwo utarĩirie wega ati no nginyagia murutwo atirihe mathomo na akorwo na certificate mbere ya athiĩte internship kuri na imwe cia thukuru o hamwe na kanjo ya manathi yagararire watho ucio.
Now, the investigation has revealed that 42 students who have not completed their coursework were erroneously included in the list of 2,098 posted interns. The ministry has since revoked the internship offers and directed them to vacate the internship centers.
Akiaria hindi ya kuhe arutwo 316 marua ma mweke wa gutungatira arwaru ihinda-ini ria mwaka umwe mbere ya macokete kwamukira marua ma kuonania kuna manathi aya ni marikitie mathomo na magakinyaniria ikiro cia kwihokerwo arwaru thibitari-ini. Minister wa Ugima wa Mwiri Duale ni arutite mukana muhiu kuri urugamiriri wa thukuru iria iraheana marua gutari na uigiririki.
And let me make it very clear, because I went to school. Did my bachelor's, I did my master's. I have children who have gone to university. Completion letter is not graduation. You know, there are some people who think we are stupid. Completion letter is different.
Hamwe noguo Duale anireire kurugamio wira kwa murugamiriri munene kanjo-ini ya manathi Dr. Lisa Onsongo akiuga uthuthuria ni uratabanio wa gukurana mutaratara uria wahuthikire.
Remember, your role is not just about administering treatment but also providing comfort, hope, reassurance to those in need.
Kuringana na Duale, mubango wa kwandika arigitani aria makoretwo mubango-ini wa UHC wira wa gutura ni urathie na mbere, no mbere yo uthuthuria ni uratabanio niguo gukurana arigitani aria mamukagira mushara ona thengia wa gukorwo matikinyanirie ikiro cia gutungatira arwaru.
If they come here, I will also call EACC to come here. I will call the DCI to come here. And I will give them a list of those who are ghosts, who are not nurses.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.
Ian, wewe usiniweke chini.